Adobe Creative Production empowers you to process many images in bulk through an easy-to-use interface. For example, let's say I have a variety of product images here. Notice that each product has a different background. I need to remove those backgrounds and replace them. Normally, I would do this one by one in Photoshop, but now, with Firefly Creative Production, I can handle it all in bulk in just a few clicks. From the Firefly website, I can see there is an option to open Firefly Creative Production. When I am in there, I'll see a menu of different bulk actions I can take on my images. Currently, Firefly Creative Production supports remove background, crop image, and color grade. There are a number of additional great features coming, like intelligent reframe video and resize, so stay tuned for that. Since I want to replace the backgrounds on my product images, I'll choose Remove Background. The first step is to upload the images I want to process. I can upload files from connected storage like Adobe Experience Manager Assets or Dropbox. In this case, I'll upload files from my computer. You can upload 1,000 images, so plenty for different scenarios. For these images, I want to have a transparent version. I can just choose the toggle switch. Each image will be generated with transparent backgrounds. Next, I want a version with a branded, colorful background, which I can easily upload from my computer. Then I also want some versions that have a few solid colors. I can set specific hex colors I want to have as backgrounds. Let's say white, black, and then a specific red hex color. Once I'm ready, I can then click Continue and give the job a name. I can also select which file formats I want to use, whether that is JPEG, PNG, or even PSD files. This is great, particularly if I want to make edits to the images later. The job is now queued to run in the cloud. I'll then get an email notification when it's complete, or I can track progress in the job queue. Once it's finished, I can download a zip file with all the processed assets. Looking at the results, I can see all the variations, different backgrounds, different formats for each product. This saves me a huge amount of time compared to editing manually. Now I have all the variations I need for different contexts, digital storefronts, mobile apps, or other parts of the website. That's Firefly Creative Production, turning tedious, repetitive tasks like background removal and replacement into just a few easy clicks at scale.